y'all. Welcome to Hippy Chick. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And tonight we are going to do the second unboxing video. So, you guys, this is my second box, mystery box from Amazon. If you watched the previous video, you kind of see what we got in that box, and that was actually our first time buying the boxes. So we bought these boxes at the same time, and my husband and I discussed it, and we just didn't think that it was worth it for real for the amount we paid, which is $50. We paid $50 for each of these mystery boxes. We don't know what's in it, so you're just kind of taking like a gamble, a risk. You just, you don't know what's in the box. So you kind of hope that you can get some really good stuff. So we had a couple of nice things from the previous box. So let's just kind of get to it, you guys, and open the box here. So I'm hoping that it will be better than the last box. And after that last video, I asked my husband, do he think he would do it again? Or did I ask you during the video? I don't remember. But I asked him if he would, consider buying the boxes again, the mystery boxes. And he said he would, because we both really liked that that cookware set that we got, cordon bleu. Cookware. It was just two light skillets, ceramic type style skillets. Oh baby, oh baby, oh my goodness.
What we got?
Oh my goodness, the same thing we got the last time in the other box. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got this the last time in the other box. Oh man, should I open it again, babe?
No,
Okay, you guys. So you guys, if you guys can go back and watch the other unboxing video, you'll see that what this is here, and it's white, and it's like a little, I guess, a little step, not a step stool, but I like to think about using those, cause we have them at my daughter's bed, where she can step up, like if you have a high bed or something, to kind of step up on it to get in the bed. So we have another one of these, babe. Yay, something more for you to put together. Okay, what else do we have? I'm gonna need my glasses. And y'all, again, we chose the heavier boxes because we just felt like maybe the heavier boxes would have some good stuff in it. So these are the heavier boxes of the boxes that they had available. So I think my husband and I discussed, and we decided that next time we would get a lighter box just to kind of see. Okay, you guys, I have some speedy swabs, rapid COVID antigen self-test, baby. We got some of these. We already got some something similar to these already, but that's okay. Okay, and we got a lot of them, babe. This is 3 so far. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10. And I think I see another one down there in the bottom. Babe, I don't know about this box either. Ooh, no they didn't. Babe, we got some Halloween something. Looks like a tablecloth. But at least it's not plastic, because, you can use this.
Yeah.
If you celebrate Halloween. Right?
Tablecloth.
It's round, tablecloth, you guys. Alright, and again, I'm not going to just fold this stuff up nicely. I'm just going to kind of put it off to the side so I can kind of get through the videos, because, as you know, my camera, it cuts off at a certain point, so be mindful of that, okay? So you can catch it when it does that. And what is...
A dress.
For a little kid. That's... Okay, that's cute. Cute enough. Right?
Yeah.
And it's got the little... Cute little hair thingy.
Yeah.
Alright. had to go to Brooke. Somebody, a little small kid. Moving on. What are these, babe? Look at these, you guys. It's that Sweet JoJo Designs again. Oh, it's a duvet. Or do you say duvet? I'm going to say duvet. You know you go in the bed. That's nice, right?
Yeah.
And y'all just brought me some orange sheets. So, I know it's not the exact color blue, but orange and blue representing Auburn. War Eagle, y'all. This is nice. Right, babe?
Yeah, that's
We
nice.
like these. I like it. I'm happy with this. I'm okay with this. Yeah. I'm trying to see if that's dark blue or black. I think it's dark blue though. And babe, we got 2 of them. You still good?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look. We got this one. We got another one of these. We got another one of these. Okay. But those are, I mean, they're not expensive. You know, but it's still nicer than the other ones, I think. Some more of the COVID. The Speedy Swabs. Okay. Somebody, a farm truck. This is a little kid toy, you guys. Farm truck take apart. Okay. I don't know what this is. Cooking tongs. Oh, they're tongs. Oh, I see it now. Cooking tongs. Okay, let me open these up, y'all. I love cookware and different utensils and different equipment and stuff for the kitchen. Oh, I found scissors. Misplaced the scissors, y'all. Cute color, green. You don't see the scissors anywhere on the floor, do you? Okay, you guys, check these out. These are cute, right? I don't think I've seen them like this, but this is good. Look, covering over them like this. No, they over here because I had them. No, they're right here. No, because I had them to open the box. I got them.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, you guys, those are tongs. And now, oh man, we got more of these things, you guys. My husband's trying to figure out what they are. They look like they go, that was in the other box, I'm sorry. But this is stuff that was in the other box, and it says that it's for, it don't actually say it on this one. But it was said something like for tires and different things of that nature. That's what it said in the other box that we got. Okay, what is this? Let's check this out, you guys. Different color safety pins. How cute, you guys. And it comes in a little case. You like that one, babe?
Yeah, that's nice.
We got some more jewelry. Looks like moon and stars. Silver jewelry. I don't know what this is, but it's in bubble wrap. That I dropped. Oops. But it looks like a CD. I don't know who this is. It says IVE or IVE, the first album.
Yeah.
I like all kinds of music, so this will be kind of interesting. Looking forward to listening to that. And this is, it says, Saint Magic Practice Copybook, ages 3 and older for preschools numbers. Okay. Come in a little cute little bag though. And then it has like the little pens with the refillable pens. The little ink things in them. That's kind of cute. More of these, babe. More of those things that we don't know what it is. We don't know what it is. This looks like the Dove stuff. Looks like the, you know, I guess you put the pillows in here.
Yeah, that's nice.
So we can make it work. We can make it work. Okay, and another one of those, the magic things. Practice copybook. Another one of these. More COVID testing. Wow. And what are these? Dream big. Must be like journals and stuff or something. You can journal in. Which I'm okay with this because I like to, you know, write and put stuff. Okay, wait a minute. 2023 month calendar. Holidays. But yeah, you could write little stuff in here. But it says 2022. That ain't cool. 2023. Alright. There's 2 of those in here.
Okay.
But I don't know if I want to buy any more boxes. Oh, no. Alright, this might be something. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh. Satin ribbon. I used to be, to do all the different baskets and stuff like that. This would have been nice for that. I got to sneeze, babe. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, it's okay. You didn't take it off, did you? Okay, it's probably going to go off in a minute anyway.
No, it's all right.
Okay. How much time is you should have a timer up there. Tell you how much time is left. But this is satin ribbon. It's a huge spool of this, you guys. Satin ribbon. Okay. You go box. We got like 3 boxes in here, okay?
Okay.
Alright. They're small boxes though. This is a value 16 pack energy saver halogen lights. 100 watts. Replacement. Uses only 72 watts.
Okay.
You think that's good?
Yeah.
Is that I mean, are they expensive, babe? I know you be buying the light bulbs.
Yeah.
So you was doing the
They
energy savers.
expensive,
You were doing
yeah.
the energy saver ones.
Right.
I know. And it's the halogen.
Okay.
So I guess I didn't break them. But it's 16 of these in here. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Okay. So yeah, I know you would like these. He's happy with this, y'all. All right. Okay, well this one kind of opened up a little bit. I don't know what this is. Here we go. Something with a wire, with a cord. I don't know what this is, y'all. It doesn't say what it is.
Will the lid come up?
But it's got one of those little things for like a QR code. I guess we can, yeah. Y'all, what is this? Y'all, somebody tell me what this is. And then you put this in it. And then it's got a little thing where you turn it off and on. I don't know what that is, y'all. I have no idea. And it's kind of felt at the top. It's... I have no clue. Here you go.
Okay.
I was trying to see if it, what it said on the box. It doesn't have anything in here. I don't know, baby. We'll have to figure it out, y'all. I don't know what that is. Okay, this one says it's fragile. Whatever it is. I use Google Lens and let it tell me what it is, because I really don't know what that is. Maybe we should know what it is, but I don't. Okay, this is something. Flower pot looks like. I don't know what it is. Yep. Which would really go good on the front porch, you know, in those little flower, in the little holder thingies.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, because they're all different sizes.
Yeah.
So. Flower pots. 3 different sizes.